Oh, hello. I do not think we have been formally introduced yet. I am Mark from the marketing department. I started here about a month ago.
Hello, Mark. It is so nice to finally meet you properly. I am Anna from the design department. I have seen you around the office, but it is always so busy, it is hard to find a moment to say hello.
I know exactly what you mean. The days go by so fast. I am just trying to figure out this coffee machine. It looks a bit more advanced than the one at my old job.
It can be a little intimidating at first, but it makes a fantastic cappuccino once you get to know it. Let me show you. You just need to put your mug here, press this button twice for a double shot of espresso, and then this button here for the frothed milk.
Ah, I see. Thank you so much. That is very helpful. I think I need a strong coffee today. It has been a very busy week.
Tell me about it. I feel the same way. I am very, very glad that it is Friday.
Me too. I have been looking forward to the weekend since Tuesday.
So, you are in the marketing department. How are you finding it so far? Are you enjoying your new role?
I am enjoying it very much, thank you. Everyone on the team has been so friendly and welcoming, which has made settling in much easier.
I am so glad to hear that. We have a really great company culture here. People are genuinely supportive of each other. What kind of projects are you working on at the moment?
Right now, I am helping to develop the marketing campaign for our new product launch next quarter. It is really interesting work. I am learning a lot.
Oh, the new product. That is a very exciting project. The design department has been working on the packaging for that. It is a huge team effort.
It certainly is. It is amazing to see how all the different departments collaborate to make it happen. What is your role in the design department?
I am one of the graphic designers, so I work on things like the company logo, the website design, and the packaging for our new products.
So you probably designed the beautiful box for the new product. It looks fantastic. You are very talented.
Thank you. That is very kind of you to say. It is always nice when other departments appreciate our work.
Well, my coffee is ready. That was fast. Thank you again for your help.
You are very welcome. I am just waiting for my water to boil for my tea. A nice cup of peppermint tea is my favorite way to start a Friday morning.
That sounds much healthier than my giant cup of coffee. So, Anna, since it is Friday, I have to ask, do you have any exciting plans for the weekend?
That is the big question every Friday, isn't it? I do have some plans, actually. I am really looking forward to them. I need to spend some time outdoors after being in the office all week.
That sounds like a great idea. The weather forecast for this weekend is supposed to be beautiful. Lots of sunshine and not too hot.
I saw that. It is the perfect weather for my plans. I am hoping to get out of the city for a day and go hiking.
Hiking. That sounds very active and fun.
Where do you usually go hiking? Are there good trails near Vienna?
There are some amazing trails. My favorite place to go is the Wienerwald, the Vienna woods. It is so beautiful and peaceful there. You feel like you are a million miles away from the city, but it is actually very easy to get to.
I have heard it is beautiful, but I have not had a chance to visit yet. I am still quite new to the city.
You absolutely must go. There are trails for all different fitness levels, from easy, gentle walks to more challenging climbs. The views from the top of the hills are just spectacular. You can see the entire city and the Danube River.
Wow, that sounds incredible. Do you go hiking often?
I try to go at least 2 weekends every month, especially in the spring and autumn when the weather is perfect. It is my favorite way to disconnect from work and technology. Just being in nature with the fresh air and the quiet really helps me to relax and recharge my batteries.
It sounds like a wonderful hobby. It is both relaxing and a great form of exercise.
It is. So, that is my plan for Saturday. What about you, Mark? Do you have any special plans for your weekend?
My plans are a little bit less energetic than yours. After a busy first month at the new job, I am planning to have a very quiet and relaxed weekend.
A quiet and relaxed weekend can be the best kind of weekend. Sometimes you just need time to rest and do nothing.
Exactly. I do have one activity planned, though. There is a museum that I have been wanting to visit since I moved to Vienna. I think I will finally go this weekend.
Oh, which museum is that? Vienna has so many wonderful museums to choose from.
I want to go to the Kunsthistorisches Museum, the Art History Museum. I have seen pictures of the building, and it looks absolutely magnificent, both inside and out.
It is one of the most beautiful buildings in the city, and the collection inside is world-class. You will have a fantastic time there. It is a great choice for a relaxing weekend activity.
I think so too. And for the rest of the weekend, my only other plan is to sit on my comfortable sofa and watch a movie that I have been wanting to see.
That sounds like my kind of Sunday. A perfect balance of culture and comfort. It sounds like you really enjoy art and culture. Is visiting museums one of your main hobbies?
It is. I have loved art since I was in high school. I am not an artist myself. I cannot draw or paint at all, but I love to look at art and learn about the history behind it.
I think that is wonderful. It is a very enriching hobby. What kind of art do you enjoy the most? Do you have a favorite period or a favorite painter?
I really love the Italian Renaissance painters like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. But I am also a big fan of the Impressionist painters like Monet and Renoir. The way they used light and color is just so beautiful.
The Impressionists are my favorites too. Their paintings are so full of life and emotion. The Kunsthistorisches Museum has some incredible masterpieces. You are going to be in heaven there.
I am really looking forward to it. So, we know your weekend hobby is hiking. Do you have any other hobbies or interests that you enjoy when you are not working?
I do. My other great passion in life, besides hiking, is traveling.
Traveling. That is one of my passions too. I love exploring new countries and experiencing new cultures. Where was the last place you traveled to?
My last big trip was a few months ago. I went to Italy for 2 weeks. I have always dreamed of going there.
Italy is an amazing country. I went there once, a long time ago. Where did you go?
I started in Rome and saw all the famous historical sites like the Colosseum and the Roman Forum. It was like walking through a history book. Then I traveled south to the Amalfi Coast.
The Amalfi Coast is supposed to be one of the most beautiful coastlines in the world.
It truly is. The little towns like Positano are built into the cliffs with colorful houses that go all the way down to the sea. The scenery was absolutely breathtaking. I took hundreds of photos.
That sounds like a dream holiday. I am very jealous. Do you have another trip planned soon?
I do not have anything booked yet, but I am already dreaming about my next destination. What about you? Is there a place that you are dreaming of visiting?
There are so many places on my list, but I think the number one country I want to visit next is Spain. I would love to explore cities like Barcelona and Madrid and experience the culture and the food.
Ah, speaking of food, the food in Italy was one of the best parts of the whole trip. I think I ate pasta every single day.
I can imagine. Fresh, homemade pasta in Italy is on another level. It is completely different from the pasta we buy in the supermarket.
It really is. And the pizza in Naples, it was the best pizza I have ever had in my life. It was so simple, but the ingredients were so fresh. The tomatoes, the mozzarella, the basil, it was perfection.
You are making me very hungry. It is a good thing it is almost lunchtime. It sounds like you really enjoy Italian food. Is that your favorite type of cuisine?
It is definitely one of my favorites. I also love Thai food because of its amazing spicy and sour flavors. And of course, I love our traditional Austrian food too. You cannot beat a good Wiener Schnitzel. What about you? What is your favorite type of food?
I am a big fan of Mexican food. I love the combination of spicy chilies, fresh cilantro, and lime. I could eat tacos every day.
Tacos are delicious. We have very different tastes in food, but they both sound amazing.
Well, my delicious cappuccino is now ready. And your tea is ready as well.
Perfect timing. This has been a really nice chat. I feel like I have learned so much about you.
Me too. It is so nice to finally have a proper conversation and get to know one of my colleagues a little better. I only knew you as Anna, the talented designer.
And I only knew you as Mark, the new guy in marketing. Now I know about your love for art museums, impressionist painters, and Mexican food.
And I know that you are an expert hiker, an Italy enthusiast, and a lover of peppermint tea.
It is amazing what you can learn in a short 10-minute coffee break.
It is. Well, I should probably get back to my desk now. I have that big marketing campaign to work on.
And I have a website design that I need to finish before the end of the day. It was really lovely talking to you, Mark.
It was lovely talking to you too, Anna. Thank you for making me feel so welcome and for the lesson on how to use the coffee machine.
Anytime. If you ever have any questions about the coffee machine or about anything else, please do not hesitate to ask. My desk is just over in the design corner.
I will remember that. Thank you.
And if you decide to go hiking in the Wienerwald and you want any recommendations for the best trails, just let me know. I would be happy to share my favorites.
I would really appreciate that. I think I will try to go in the next few weeks. It sounds too beautiful to miss.
It is. Well, I will let you get back to your work. I hope you have a great rest of your day and a wonderful weekend.
You too. Enjoy your hike on Saturday.
I will. It was great to finally chat. We should do it again sometime.
I agree. See you later, Anna.
See you later, Mark.